What's up, guys? If you own a Proton Saga, I'm sure this always happened to you. A quick fix is to get some kind of hard padding to stick in between it, which higher than the lock level, so that when you put your hand to rest on it, it won't unlock the window for the passenger side. And it can be irritating at times because it happens all the time. I bought this for Mr. DIY. It costs a few ringgit, and I think this is the perfect choice to fix this issue. I don't know why Proton can't do a better job. At least if they reposition the lock place, I think it will solve the issue. This is Proton Saga MC2. Come on, Proton. This is 2022 already, Proton. I'm sure you can do a better job than this. So for this, a single layer is not tall enough, so you have to use double layer. So cut it and stick it on each other and stick it over there.